Hi, my devoted English learners. Today we are going to learn Unit 27, Could Do and Could Have Done. Let's get it started. Could,
Turlicha ishlatiladi.
could,
Odatda
can,
ning o'tgan zamon shakli bo'ladi. Unit 26 ga qarang.
I can swim.
Men suza olaman.
Hozir,
I could swim when I was a child.
Bolaligimda men suza olardim.
Listen. I can hear something.
quloq sol. Men nimanidir eshityapman.
I listened. I could hear something.
Men quloq soldim. Men nimanidir eshitdim.
He can do anything he likes.
U istagan narsasini qilishi mumkin.
He could do anything he liked.
U istagan narsasini qilishi mumkin edi.
Lekin
could,
faqat shu yo'sinda qo'llanilmaydi.
could,
Hozir yoki kelajakda sodir bo'lishi mumkin bo'lgan hodisalar haqida gapirilganda ham qo'llaniladi, ayniqsa takliflar qilganda. Masalan,
What shall we do tonight?
Kechga nima qilamiz?
We could go to the cinema.
kinoga borishimiz mumkin.
When you go to Paris next month, you could stay with Karina.
Kelasi oy Parijga borganingda, Karinanikida qolsang bo'ladi.
Yes, I suppose I could.
Ha, menimcha bo'ladi. Ushbu gaplarda
can,
ni ham qo'llash mumkin
we can go to the cinema.
va hokazo.
Could, can,
Ga nisbatan kamroq bo'lgan ehtimolni ifodalaydi. Aytilgan gap noreal, ya'ni aslida bajarib yoki amalga oshirib bo'lmaydigan bo'lsa,
could,
ni qo'llash shart,
can,
ni emas. Masalan,
I'm so hungry. I could eat a bowl. Qornim juda ochdi. Bir ho'kizni yeya olardim.
can,
va
could,
ni taqqoslang.
I can stay with Karina when I go to Berlin.
Berlinga borganimda, Karinanikida qolishim mumkin.
Real gap.
Maybe I could stay with Karina when I go to Berlin.
Berlinga borganimda, balki Karinanikida qolishim mumkin.
Bo'lishi mumkin, lekin ehtimolli kamroq.
This is a wonderful place. I could stay here forever.
Bu ajoyib joy. Bu yerda abadiy qolishim mumkin edi.
Noreal gap.
could,
Shuningdek, biror voqea hozir yoki kelajakda sodir bo'lishi mumkinligini ko'rsatish uchun qo'llaniladi. Uning bu gaplardagi ma'nosi
might,
Nikiga o'xshaydi. Unit 29-30 ga qarang.
The phone is ringing. It could be Mike.
Telefon jiringlayapti. Bu Mike bo'lishi mumkin.
I don't know when they'll be here. They could arrive at any time.
Ularning bu yerda qachon bo'lishini bilmayman. Ular istalgan vaqtda kelib qolishi mumkin.
The story could be true, but I don't think it is.
Hikoya haqiqat bo'lishi mumkin, lekin menimcha bunday emas.
Can,
Va
could,
ni taqqoslang.
The weather can change very quickly in the mountains.
Tog'larda ob-havo juda tez o'zgarishi mumkin.
Umuman olganda,
The weather is nice now, but it could change.
Hozir ob-havo yaxshi, lekin u o'zgarishi mumkin.
umuman olganda emas, aynan hozirgi ob-havo.
could have done,
O'tgan zamon haqida gapirilganda qo'llaniladi. Taqqoslang.
I'm so tired. I could sleep for a week.
Juda charchaganman. Bir hafta uxlay olardim.
Hozir,
I was so tired. I could have slept for a week.
Juda charchagan edim. Bir hafta uxlay olardim.
o'tmish,
Could have done.
Aksariyat hollarda sodir bo'lishi mumkin bo'lgan, lekin sodir bo'lmagan hodisalarni ko'rsatish uchun qo'llaniladi.
Why did you stay at a hotel when you went to Berlin? You could have stayed with Karina.
Nega Berlinga borganingda mehmonxonada yashading? Karinanikida qolsang bo'lardi-ku.
Senda shunday imkoniyat bor edi, lekin sen unday qilmading. Yana misollar.
The situation was bad, but it could have been worse.
Vaziyat yomon edi, lekin bundan ham battarroq bo'lishi mumkin edi. Lekin battarroq bo'lmadi.
David was lucky. He could have hurt himself when he fell, but he's okay.
Davidning omadi keldi. U yiqilib tushganida shikastlanishi mumkin edi, lekin hammasi joyida.
U shikastlanmadi.
Could.
Ba'zan qila olar edi.
Would be able to.
Degan ma'noni bildiradi.
We could go away if we had enough money. Pulimiz yetarli bo'lsa, biz keta olardik.
I don't understand how you work so hard. I couldn't do it.
Sening qanday bunchalik qattiq ishlashingni tushunmayman. Men bunday qila olmasdim.
Could have done.
Teng.
Would have been able to do.
Qila olgan bo'lar edi.
We could have gone away if we'd had enough money. Pulimiz yetarli bo'lganida, biz keta olgan bo'lardik.
The trip was cancelled last week. Paul couldn't have gone anyway because he was ill.
O'tgan hafta sayohat bekor qilindi. Paul baribir bora olmagan bo'lardi, chunki u kasal edi.
Shu bilan Unit 27 yakuniga yetdi.
Endi odatdagidek Leksika.uz saytiga kirib, ushbu unitga tegishli test savollariga javob bering va olgan bilimlaringizni sinab ko'ring. Shuningdek, ushbu rolik uchun like va kommentlaringizni ayamang. Bu kanalimiz rivoji uchun katta yordam beradi. Do'stlaringizga ham darslarimiz haqida xabar bering va ingliz tilini birgalikda o'rganing. Omad!